Hey guys, welcome to Topexpress Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best air compressors for painting cars, selected for their precision, efficiency, and durability for restorations, custom builds, and workshop professionals who demand control daily. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. SucceBuy 750-watt air compressor. The SucceBuy 750-watt air compressor is a practical and versatile solution for home garages, small workshops, and light industrial use. Manufactured under the Vevor brand, this oil-free electric compressor is designed to deliver reliable performance while keeping maintenance minimal. One of its biggest advantages is its quiet operation compared to traditional oil-lubricated models, making it suitable for indoor environments where noise control matters. With multiple tank capacity options ranging from 4 liters to 75 liters, users can choose a size that fits their specific needs, whether for tire inflation, auto repair, spray painting, or powering pneumatic tools. The steel construction gives the unit a solid and durable feel, ensuring long-term reliability. Depending on the model, it offers airflow ratings between 1.5 CFM and 14.6 CFM, and a maximum air pressure of up to 125 psi, which is sufficient for most household and light professional tasks. The oil-free design reduces upkeep costs and eliminates the hassle of regular oil changes, making it beginner-friendly.
Number 2. SucceBuy 800-watt PCP air compressor. The SucceBuy 800-watt PCP air compressor is a specialized high-pressure unit designed primarily for airgun enthusiasts, paintball users, and scuba tank refilling applications. Unlike standard workshop compressors, this model is engineered to reach extremely high pressures of up to 4,500 psi, or 30 megapascals, which makes it suitable for PCP, or pre-charged pneumatic, air rifles, and similar equipment. Its dual-cylinder system enhances compression efficiency and reduces filling time compared to single-cylinder alternatives. One of its standout features is the built-in auto-stop function, which automatically shuts off the compressor once the desired pressure is reached. This adds a layer of safety and convenience, especially for users who need precise pressure control. The electric-powered 800-watt motor delivers strong and consistent performance while maintaining manageable noise levels for its category. Build quality is solid, reflecting its industrial-grade purpose. The unit is compact enough for transport, yet robust enough for repeated high-pressure operations.
Number 3. SucceBuy Airbrush Air Compressor Kit. The SucceBuy Airbrush Air Compressor Kit is a complete professional airbrushing system designed for artists, hobbyists, cake decorators, and model painters. This kit stands out because it includes not only a dual-fan air compressor, but also essential accessories such as airbrush guns, a mixing wheel, and cleaning tools. This all-in-one package makes it particularly attractive for beginners who want a ready-to-use setup without purchasing components separately. The dual-fan compressor helps maintain stable airflow and reduces overheating during extended use. Compared to standard single-fan compressors, it provides improved durability and more consistent air pressure, which is critical for detailed airbrush work. The electric-powered unit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to place on a workbench or transport to different locations. In terms of performance, it offers smooth and even air delivery, ideal for fine detailing, shading, and gradient effects. Noise levels are generally low, which is beneficial for indoor studios or home use. The included cleaning brushes simplify maintenance, extending the lifespan of the airbrush system.
Number 4. CNCEST 12-volt air compressor. The CNCEST 12-volt air compressor is a heavy-duty DC-powered unit designed primarily for automotive applications and air horn systems. Operating at 12 volts, it connects directly to vehicle power systems, making it highly convenient for on-the-go use. With a maximum pressure rating of 150 psi and a 6-liter air tank, it provides adequate compressed air storage for train horn kits and other vehicle-mounted pneumatic accessories. One of the key strengths of this compressor is its integration into air horn systems. It is engineered to deliver quick air refills to maintain consistent horn performance. The electric design ensures easy installation within most vehicles, and the compact tank size allows flexible mounting options. Build quality appears solid, with materials designed to withstand vibration and typical automotive conditions. It is not intended for industrial workshop use, but excels in its specific purpose within automotive customization.
The CE certification also adds confidence in its safety standards. Performance-wise, it provides reliable pressure output for horn activation and similar applications.
Number 5. Universal 12-volt 200 PSI Air Compressor Kit. The Universal 12-volt 200 PSI Air Compressor Kit is a versatile, vehicle-focused air pump designed for tire inflation and general automotive pneumatic needs. With a maximum working pressure of 200 psi and an air volume of 50 Ls per minute, it offers solid performance for inflating car tires, SUV tires, and light truck tires efficiently. Powered by a 12-volt electric system, it is compatible with most vehicles and draws up to 23 amps during operation. The brass core motor enhances durability and improves heat resistance compared to lower-grade alternatives. With a noise rating of around 72 decibels, it remains reasonably quiet for a compressor of its power class. The rectangular electroplated design gives it a clean appearance while helping protect against corrosion. Although it requires manual shutoff, the operation is straightforward and user-friendly. The iron and copper construction contributes to overall sturdiness and longevity. This compressor is particularly useful for emergency roadside tire inflation, road trips, and routine vehicle maintenance. While it may not match industrial workshop compressors in continuous duty capability, it delivers strong performance for automotive use. And that wraps up the top 5 best air compressors for painting cars. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Topexpress Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.